Tuesday with Stefan. Hey, how's it going? Stefan here. Hello, Pixel lovers. Tuesday, this is Stefan. We have a quick update, quick video about my Pixel XL 2. Make sure you update your device. I want to show you the last security patch. It's on December. So make sure you update your device with the last security patch. It's very important, and let me show you the build number. So it's 191.205.008 QQ1A. So this is the build number. So make sure your device is up to date. But I want to show you something else today, something very interesting that makes me super happy. And this is the update that I had a few days ago. So basically, let's try to open the camera. We're gonna press the power button 2 times. And something very cool is, let's say you want to take a photo, press the shutter button, and now you have an arrow here. And this is pretty cool. And now you have shortcuts to share your picture directly with your WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. That's pretty cool actually. And this update is very cool, something that is gonna make many people happy. So this was the video for today. Make sure your device is up to date. Make sure you check for updates and check this new cool feature for Pixel devices. My name is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share and like it. This is Tuesday with Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video.